Are you a natural skincare lover and would love to learn how to formulate your own African black soap professionally? Or have you been making black soap but you find it difficult to get the same mix consistently? This course has been carefully crafted for you. My name is Adebsola and I'm the lead formulator at Forever Yesap International, where we formulate natural skin and hair care products. In this course, you will learn how to formulate your African black soap in liquid and paste form, and how to also make skin and hair care products from your African black soap. Hence, you'll be able to formulate your own brightening soap, glow soap, hair clarifying wash, and so on. Does this sound interesting to you? Do sign up now.